Let's try to fix hotspot issues on Google Pixel 9a. If you have any issues with the hotspot, then we're gonna go to the settings, open network and internet, and then we want to go to hotspot and tethering. First, we're gonna go to the Wi-Fi hotspot. And for example, if other phones cannot detect our hotspot in the list of Wi-Fi networks, we can, for example, use the QR code over here. So once you enable the Wi-Fi hotspot, once it is on, you should be able to find this QR code icon, so tap on it and enter the screen lock password in order to generate the QR code that you can use instead of the password in order to connect to the Wi-Fi, which can be quite useful, especially if for some reason the password doesn't match. Speaking about password, you can of course also go to the hotspot password and set up an easy password. So for example, if we use something like this, I believe we need to have at least 8 characters. Then we can press OK, and of course this is a simple password that we can use, at least for now, in order to check if other device can connect to our Wi-Fi hotspot. Another thing that we can do is change the speed and compatibility. So if you changed the speed and compatibility to a higher one, this might be also an issue because unfortunately not every device is compatible with higher frequencies. So ideally we want to switch to 2.4 gigahertz if you used 5 or 6, because this option is most compatible with pretty much every device. So switch back to 2.4 gigahertz and then check if the Wi-Fi is it can be discovered on the other device and if the other device can connect to our hotspot. And last but not least, remember that you can simply turn off and turn back on Wi-Fi hotspot. Simply doing this simple action, it can help solve some of these issues as well. Besides that, remember that you are sharing the internet access, so it is also important to check if we actually have access to the internet on our phone as well. So if you use Wi-Fi, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and if you are using the mobile data, then go to Sims and check if mobile data is enabled. You can also simply restart or reboot your phone. Sometimes this helps as well. And last but not least, we can also go to the system settings in the settings of our phone, and then over here if you go to reset options, you can for example reset mobile network settings, especially if you try to share the access to the internet by using mobile data. Or on the other hand, if you try to share the internet access by using Wi-Fi, then of course we can reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, these two are connected together, so we cannot really separately reset these things. So remember that if you reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, remember to reconnect to all Bluetooth devices that you have been connected to in the past. And the same goes with Wi-Fi, of course, because every Wi-Fi connection and Bluetooth connection will be forgotten. Now, after that, of course, once you reconnect and everything, just go back to the Wi-Fi hotspot, enable the Wi-Fi hotspot, and just give it a try. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.